it's Brandy here. I am a design team member with the Wild Hare Kits, and I'm here to do my June unboxing. This month I asked for, surprise, surprise, more travel stuff. I've got some big trips I'm still working on, and I'm in no way sick of these projects. I think because I keep getting these amazing hand-curated kits every month, and like it always looks a little bit different every month, and it's always really tailored. So I'm just loving working on travel. And so if you're sick of seeing travel pages, I'm so sorry, but they're going to continue for a few more months here while I work on these trips. This is my kit this month for June. It is a deluxe kit, and I did again ask specifically for travel. And my thank you card this month from the Wild Hare Kits is, "Hi Brandy, happy travel creating," from Allison. And the note on the invoice says, "Hi Brandy, I hope you love your June kit. It's all travel themed and is loaded with embellies," my favorite. "I did send the entire 6x6 pad of Out and About to play with, as well as our June cut file. Enjoy." You know I will. So I'll move these aside so it's a white space to look at behind, but let's go through each of these things because, oh, I'm so excited. I got to do this so I can get to playing. So one of the pieces in here is the chipboard frames from Everyday Musings collection by Pink Fresh. And there is actually 3 frames for each one, a small, a medium, and a large. I was going to say a big one. I guess I could have. And the colors in here are with the Everyday Musings, but they go really, really well, obviously, with the Out and About collection, which is the paper pad that was included. So this is going to be really great. And they're a chipboard, and they've got some good dimension to them. So I can see myself kind of layering these up to create a background, some watercolor behind. Ooh, good stuff. It's going to go well with the Shimmers paints that I have that I'm also addicted to as much as I am all this travel stuff. Also included is the Thickers Adventure. These are foam phrase stickers, but they seem to be cut a little bit differently than what I'm used to from them. They don't have rounded corners. They kind of have sharper edges to them. I don't know if that's going to come through. So they almost look like they're epoxy versus looking like a foam thicker. So that's a cool new kind of look from them. And this has double side to it, and all great, fabulous travel adventure words. I love the bike in a bottle here. That is hilarious to me. So those are really good. I'm really excited about those. From the Pink Fresh Out and About collection, I've got the epoxy clips. So these are like a puffy sticker with a hard plastic on top. And these are absolutely fabulous. Like, how could you not love those? Those are going to be really great. Also from the Pink Fresh Out and About collection is that 6x6 paper pad that Allison mentioned in my invoice there. And this is the paper, the pattern paper that goes with the collection, but in a 6x6 paper pad it's pared down, so it's sized down to be 6x6, which is just fabulous. Like, look at these colors. What a cut apart sheet. I love it. Oh, love that. Love it. Geos. That one is my favorite, let's be totally honest. I got a couple of these pieces in one of my kits a couple of months ago, again travel themed, and a few of these were the inspiration for that, and I loved it. So I'm so excited to get my hands on the rest of the collection here. Even in the 6x6 side, I think I can do a lot of good stuff with this. I'm currently addicted to cut files, and I love the idea of using a 6x6 paper pad to back my cut files and to layer behind the photos. It does give me a bit of chest pain, I'll be honest, to cut into like a full new 12x12 sheet just to like back the heart or the A of adventure or something. So I think this is going to make it a lot easier for me to just dig right in and not worry about that 12x12 sheet. And I'm assuming I'm not alone in that. A few of you are probably nodding, I hope. Also from the Out and About Pink Fresh collection is the ephemera pack. So there's 45 pieces in here. It is stacked full, all the same colors, that red, that teal, the green, the yellow. You can kind of see here what the pieces are. And they just have this way. I have to tell you, Pink Fresh, when they're creating these things, what I really find is they're thinking of that design triangle already. Like, I find a lot of the Pink Fresh ephemera, the stickers, the chipboard, they kind of come in like different shapes and sizes, but there's usually 3 of the same sort of general shape, like 3 of these little banners and 3 of the circles. And they kind of like really make themselves so easy to get that design triangle with, so that you've got, you know, 3 of something, 3 of the same shape or the same color or that kind of idea. So they're just so easy to work with. So you can tell it's crafters creating for crafters, that's for sure. So I'm excited about that. Also in the kit is the Vicky Bouton's newest stickers. These are puffy stickers, and this is from her newest Kaleidoscope collection, which I'm so addicted to right now. And these are puffy, and then also some of these have multi-dimension. Like this heart is higher, bigger, I don't know how you want, puffier than the color wheel that's behind it. Or the high is kind of, is that embossed? I think, yes it is. It's sort of like it's plastic embossed on these things. So super fun. And I love that there's more than one size. So 4 different sizes, so you can really group a small and a medium and a big, say, and really, again, sort of back to that triangle, really get a good look there. So love it. And those are all awesome for travel. So I think those are going to be good. The reds go, the greens go, like it's just going to be fabulous. Also included, and this is the first time that I have gotten a stamp set in my kit, is the Chamel Sparkle City acrylic stamps. One of my scrappy goals, if you will, I guess, for this year is to use my stamps. I don't have a lot. I know there's scrappers out there who have boxes of these things. I'm really intimidated by them, but so I don't have many, but I have too many to be sitting there and gathering dust. So I'm really trying to make a point, even if what I'm doing is like stamping, you know, say these hearts onto like a white piece of paper or a bit of pattern and cutting it out and treating them like die cuts almost, or in ephemera, then that's good enough for me. Like, I just want to start using them because they're sitting here and they're sitting in my stash and it's making me feel guilty that I've got them. So I love that Allison has kind of brought my scrap goal into this and brought stamps into my kit this month. I think these are going to be great. And all of these, like, look at that camera. Seriously, that is so awesome. The heart, the balloon, the arrows, like this is going to be just really great. I'm really excited. And the other thing I'm really addicted to right now, well, at least I find myself saving into my collection, is scrapbook pages with lists, like the top 5, the top whatever. So I think this is going to be really fun to play with as well, especially for travel. So thank you. I love it. Also included in the kit, because I'm also addicted to sequins right now, love Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins, is this exclusively designed Spiegel Mom Scraps for Wild Hare Kits sequin collection. And this is designed to go with, I'll pull out the paper pad here so you can see, this Out and About collection. The reds are in there, yellow, dark blue, teal, white, like it's just going to be so great. So I can't wait to like back a cut file partially with paper and maybe do a couple little shaker fills, that kind of thing. So this is going to be really good. Also included is this Freckled Fawn alphabet stickers, 238 pieces. This is my ultimate favorite color, this kind of mysterious teal color, this darker teal color, and it goes just beautifully with this collection. It's bang on. So that'll be really good. I love alphas. I love mixing my titles. Something like this with these alphas is for a title. Love it. And then last but not least, and I'm going to just hold up these alphas so you can see it, is the cut file this month. And this is like a little lemon with a citrus kind of look here. And I think that's going to be fabulous. Some of the pictures I'm working on are from Portugal and Spain. And you could be darn sure I was sipping sangrias with a bunch of citrus in it. And so I've got a few pictures that would go really, really well with this cut file. So that should be neat. And again, you know, why wouldn't I have a citrus shaker pocket lemon sitting on my thing, on my page with these sequins? So I think it's going to be super fun. So that is me for this month, for June, for the Wild Hare Kits. I'm super excited that I'm again working on travel stuff. Surprise, surprise. Everything I got, I absolutely love. It's all going to be so fabulous. And I don't have any 12 by 12 paper in here, which makes me really excited. I am so addicted right now to making backgrounds. So this is just going to, like, it's going to be a fun month. So that is me. Please visit the Wild Hare Kits blog and our Facebook, our Instagram account. I'll have those linked below to check out what I get up to with these this month, as well as the inspiration and the kits from our other design team members. There are some fabulous ones out there this month. Well, I think I say that every month, but yeah, lots of good inspiration. Thank you again. Have a great month.